Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Marvel channel. So in this video we will learn how to make the thumbnail just using the ChatGPT. So these are the impressive thumbnail. I made it from the ChatGPT. So it's quite a very easy and quickly we'll go through the ChatGPT and let's learn how to do this. So first of all you need to come here and just use this prompt in your ChatGPT. So I will give it in the description that you can use it. So let's take an example that this thumbnail I'm going to make it something. I'm just giving you the new title, how to make the thumbnail using the ChatGPT. Well, we required one more AI tool that I will tell you after this. Let's just after this entering the title, just give it enter. Then it give you the exact prompt for this. So later on this prompt you can use it in another AI tool. So let's see that how it is made. Create YouTube thumbnail for video title. How to make thumbnail using ChatGPT. The thumbnail features cartoon style character of person sitting at the desk, smiling confidently and pointing at computer screen that display the ChatGPT logo. This is how it is there. The first tool, I just have a two tool. I just explained you that one tool is here. That's a GIF tool. This is also one of the tool which you can use it, but this is a premium tool which you have to pay for using this tool. So only one thumbnail you can create for the day. That it is depends on that how do you use the credit. The another thumbnail is a very simple and very popular, that is a Grok. You might have heard from the Twitter, which is from the Elon Musk has built this Grok, and this is a very impressive and amazing tool which you can create a thumbnail very quickly. Okay, let's jump into this prompt tool. So we'll search it, create image, and just I'll put this prompt. As you see that whatever the prompt has been extracted from the ChatGPT, I put it here. Let's hit the enter. Now we'll see the magic. I just put it 18 plus. Now we see the magic how these thumbnails are created. You don't need of any efforts to make this thumbnail. You don't need of the Photoshop, you don't need of the Canva or anything. So Canva, we use it for this and sometime to enhancing your title. So in this title there is something which you can see into this. I just make it a little more enhancing this tool now. First of all, I download this now, so I don't want to miss again. Okay, so it's downloaded now. We'll come back to this Grok again and I'll go back to this here and I put this prompt and slightly I will make the changes over here. Thumbnail features cartoon style character. I just remove this. Real human or a person, real human or a person sitting at the desk smiling confidently pointing computer screen displayed ChatGPT logo, and this is how it is made. Now I just copy this again. I'll go back to the Grok and take the create image. I'll put it here again. Then I will hit the enter. We'll wait for the magic. We'll see that this how it will create the image for us. Yes, we created an image here. How to make this ChatGPT. This is quite a very interesting and very impressive. This you can use it. So one more tactics which you can use it from here. Just download this both images and copy this from here and go to the Canva. You can enhance this into the next level. Just hit the Canva, then use the create to design. So I take the custom size. I'll go to the image and I will take this here from this image or anything. I'll put it here, drag and drop, then upload. I'll put it here. Now you can see. So it's here. I just put this one more, the tools which is like that here from there. So you can put this into this. So whatever you want to add it here, you can add it. And how to make a Chat GPT. How to make thumbnail using the Chat GPT. So if you give a thumbnail properly and the description, that will create a correct thumbnail for you. I'll take one more example for you. So it's quite a little looking. I'm not impressed with this design. I just want to go to a little more better than this. So I'm using one of the thumbnail I used it earlier. That's how I'll go from here. Summarize into this, a create thumbnail. Like gray, and I'll go it again, Grok, and I create an image. I'll put it here, hit the enter. Let's see how it will create. This is one of the thumbnail. I used it for the video which we have the another channel. Well, this is impressive, as you can see this here. Amazing, right? This is Supersonic luxury jet which is given onto the real images like that. So you can see here the Supersonic luxury, and a bit it's not that good at the front nose. The another one is here. Yes, this is amazing. Just take it this and put it here. His hand is here. You can eliminate from your using the Canva or maybe the Photoshop. If you like this video, please let us know in the comments below, and if you feel the doubt, please let us know. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned at Tech Marvel channel. Bye bye.